Okay, this place is called Dino's Burger, and as far as I know, it's like brand new. It's like a Macau style hamburger joint, and it just opened up here and in Taipei. I didn't see it before, and basically I just went in there and ordered a burger, and they said that you should order it online or call first because it's going to take about 45 minutes to get a burger, and it's just like non-stop in there. They're just constantly going through them, and I just kind of want to show you real quick. There's this kind of line right in here. This is also top 6, so we'll show you. And there's a whole line of people, so everybody here is just kind of waiting for their hamburger to be called. So it's a pretty popular little joint, and there's actually some other kind of nice little shops in here too. Like this one right here, it's a nice little Buddha thing. So yeah, it's like kind of a popular space, and it's called Dino's. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. And it's called Dino's. So what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to we'll show you the burgers, because I actually ordered it about 30 minutes ago, and so it'll come out. And I think what I'll do is maybe just kind of poke the camera in real quick. And when they call us, what we'll do is we'll bring the camera in. I can see all the bags already up there. So and actually this is kind of cool too. I'm going to show you this statue right here before we go coming out. I'll just kind of put the camera in again. Yeah, so you can see all those bags, right? Those are all like to go and take out. Yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to peek in to see where we are, because I think it was close to 45 minutes ago. Let's see. Is it still a while for this one? Another 10 minutes or more? You kind of see the setup. It's really 5 minutes. 5 minutes, okay. Thank you. So we'll come back in 5 minutes. He's pretty happy. So 5 more minutes and we'll come back. So we'll just wait. So we'll just take the camera down a little bit. He's gonna have the hamburger too. He's really excited. But I'll just kind of show you where we're at a little bit. As he's walking into the camera, so I put him out a little bit. But we're kind of on this Rue de Volong, so this is like a really nice little street. This is where they did Psy's video, the Korean K-pop. So he did a new face right in this space, and this is called Rue de Volong. And actually I just recently did a video on this one, so if you're looking for this Dino's Burger, it's pretty close to this one, to Volong Street, and then we're gonna cut away a little bit, and then you can also see this is a cemetery over here, which is actually a famous one. There's a blue building, greenish building, and it's the like a Protestant or Catholic cemetery. I think Protestant or one of them, but it's a Christian one. Is a better way to say it. And we're just going to go down a little bit, and so they said 5 more minutes, so we'll be back in a few minutes. And I just want to share with you guys the other side of the street, because Top Stick is here. So if you really try to find this particular Dino's one, it's going to be in Top Stick is the best reference, but Volong is right next to it as well. So we're just going to walk and show you Top Stick, which is right over there. And we're on Estrada de Cementerio, Cemetery Street, Cemetery Road. This is kind of a main street right here. And actually all I'm trying to do is just fill that, and we're going to go to Top Stick. This is all the Dinos. Everybody's waiting for Dinos. So yeah, we had to walk around. I walked around for about 30 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes, and they said it's going to be ready in about 5. So yeah, that's a pretty popular place. So yeah, it's called Dino's Burgers, and it's all takeout. So there's nowhere to sit in there, but it's really popular. So we're gonna come back in a few minutes, and then before we do, we're just gonna walk over to Top Stick real quick. see if we can even get across. And then I'm just gonna show you, this is the top stick area. Come here, come here. I don't want to lose you, so I don't want you to start running. So he's autistic, so I kind of capture him a little bit. He's having a good time because we're gonna get some burgers. But this is top stick, and they got all the Chinese New Year stuff getting all set up here. And I don't want to miss the burgers. We're gonna be back here, and we're gonna eat over here anyways. So we're gonna come back. You got this is has a year over too. This is like Thai town is over there. Over there is Gia Hill Lighthouse, and then right there is Estoril, the first casino in Macau. Before Lisboa, that was the one, the first official one like that. There's always been gambling here, but anyways, all this is over by the Dino's hamburger place over here. And we're going to try to go back. And that's our Dino's place right there. It is pretty busy. And I do want to show you the burger as well, so let's just go back across. We'll just wait till it's ready. You pretty excited? So we're gonna take a look at this and see what all we got. I think this is gonna be, looks like it's gonna be pretty big here. So let's just take a look at that. Looks like this has a Dino on it, so that's going to be
No.
Yeah, you're going to eat it because we just got it. No, we're not going to get chocolate. We're going to eat. He's autistic, so a lot of times like you think he wants something and he doesn't, but we're going to eat the burger setter. So okay, so anyways, we're going to enjoy this. I think it looks really good to me. So this is what it looks like. Here, put that, can you put that down? So let's try the burger, okay? Take a bite. Try it out. See, it's better than a chocolate. You get chocolate anytime. And actually, I'm looking forward to eating mine. So, okay, so we're gonna enjoy some burgers. He's always asking for other stuff anyway, so that's kind of typical. There's no reflection on the burger. He's always asking for whatever you're not getting. He's always asking for something different. It's kind of his nature. Anyways, okay, let's enjoy this. So I still haven't tried it yet. I just kind of dissected it. He's not so sure about his. And actually the French fries look like they're a little bit, let me try it. Oh, they got a bunch of like flavoring on them. Tater tots look like they're kind of overcooked. And actually what I don't really like though is they have like, they put like tons and tons and tons and tons of onions and then tons of this like salad dressing or something like that. Like I kind of like a nice burger on a grill, and actually they had it on the grill, but then they put a bunch of this stuff on it, whatever that is, and I just peeled off all these onions. And I thought it was like just a cheeseburger, but I guess it's like an onion. It's like there's like so many onions on it. I think his might be able to show it. So it's just like tons of onions on it. Anyways, overall, let's take a look at that. Yeah, it's like so fried. It's almost no potato in it. Anyways, we'll see. Still haven't tried the burger yet. I'm gonna get rid of all that sauce though. Jeez. Okay, maybe because it's American, you know, this like actually the bread is like, it's like I wish it was like toasted a little bit better. It's like kind of still. I don't know. There's lots of Americans that like really messy burgers with all kinds of stuff. Too many onions. I took out almost all those onions, but it's like maybe like cook the onions into the meat as well. Either that or there's more onions in the bottom. Anyways, I'm gonna eat it all, of course. But yeah, it's Dino's. I don't know. Maybe I'll make a different assessment later, but there it is. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.